So my old Google developer account was closed by Google. When I opened my Play console, this is what I can see. Account was closed due to inactivity. I panicked. I raised appeals to Google Play from Play console with help, asked like so many mails asking to reinstate my Google Play account, but no, I got no response back. Nothing which was helpful. Even when I scrolled the web, they were like, yeah, you gotta create a new account, pay more $25, and then you can have a new account. But the issue with the new account was all the new accounts now will require a 14-day of testing period. But my old account, it was created before this policy was introduced. So I badly wanted this account. So after some digging, I did find something useful. I did write a mail to them, and then finally my account got reinstated. So now if you are also stuck in this place where I am, you want to reinstate your Google account soon, so do follow the steps which I do right now. So let's get ahead. So what I wanted was a human intervention. A human should verify my account. A human should read my mail and then check it so that he can reinstate my Google Play developer account. Because whenever I raised any request via Google Play console, everything was going to AI and chatbot. They were just bluntly rejecting you didn't follow the guidelines, or it was dormant for so much time, so we had to close the account. But what I did was I went to this link. The link is in the description as well. I went to this link. There is a form which you have to fill. You have to fill this form very honestly. Like, don't be rude, don't be angry, just be professional. Like, request them, be open to face rejection as well, but be mindful what you write. Do not write anything coming out of rage ki how can you quit, close my account, all those shit. Just ask them very politely. So this description is what I wrote. You can find this description in the comment section or the description as well, my bad. And then I raised the request, filled my developer name, my account name, all those details with this specific description. You can use this template. This got me reinstate my account. So once you have done this, you will receive an email from Google, something like this. They will say ki don't raise any other request. So you do mind that. Don't raise any other request like for a week or so. So after like 7 days when I raised this email, I got one more email saying ki we are now checking this, and they attached the form which I filled there so that I can verify what are the details I wrote. And then on the same day I got one more mail which is this, which showed ki yes, your account has been reinstated. So that was a moment of relief for me ki finally I got my account back. Now I can finally like go to my old days where I can publish account instantly. So everything will go directly to production now instead of waiting for 14 days in a new accounts. So if this helped you out, do like and subscribe my channel.